everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be teaching you how to play Speechless by Naomi Scott on the keyboard, but before we start, this video is kindly sponsored by Skillshare. Now since you're watching this video, it means you love learning and being creative, so Skillshare is definitely for you. If you haven't already heard, Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of classes on loads of different topics for all skill levels, from beginners to experts. They've also started new live classes so you can connect with popular teachers and work alongside other members. Today I watched a video by Michelle B called Designing the Life You Want, 4 exercises for clarity and motivation, which I found so inspiring. She gives practical advice for being more happy and more productive, and she gives resources for you to work through, for example how to create your anti-vision, which is what you don't want your life to look like in 5 years, and how to create your perfect day. Most creators provide extra hands-on projects like that to enhance your learning. It's less than $10 a month for an annual subscription, which I think is amazing because lifelong learning is so valuable. And the first 1,000 people to use the link in the description will get a free trial of premium membership. So make sure you check out Skillshare and let's get started with the video. So this is how verse 1 sounds. So the first line of verse 1 is, which is F sharp, A, D flat, D, D flat, A, flat, A, B, A. Again, that is. The second line is, which is A, F sharp, A flat, A flat, A, B, B, A. So again that is. The next line is, F sharp, A, D flat, D, D flat, A flat, A, B, A. And the final line of verse 1 is, which is A, F sharp, A, E, D flat, A, D flat, B, B. So that is verse 1, let's play it again. The next part to play is the pre-chorus. This is how it sounds. So the pre-chorus is just 2 lines. The first is, so it's A, D flat, E, F sharp, A, E, F sharp, E, D flat, B, B, E. So again that is. And the second line is, which is A, D flat, E, D flat, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, E, D flat, F sharp, A flat, A flat. So that is the pre-chorus. Let's play it again. The next part to play is the chorus. This is how it sounds. The first line of the chorus is which is A, A flat, F sharp, D flat, B, D flat, B, A, E, B flat. So again that is the next line is B, A, B, B, A, E, E, F sharp. The next line is A flat, F sharp, A flat, F sharp, A flat, F sharp, F sharp. The next line is A flat, F sharp, D flat, B, 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 D flat, D flat, B, A, E, B. The next line is A flat, A, B, B, A, E, E, F sharp, A flat, F sharp. And the final line of the chorus is which is the same as what we played before. It's A flat, F sharp, A flat, F sharp, A flat, F sharp, F sharp. That's the chorus. Let's play it again. The next part to play is verse 2, and this is how it sounds. The first line of verse 2 is which is F sharp, A, D flat, D, D flat, A flat, A, B, A. The second line is F sharp, A flat, A flat, A, B, B, A. The next line is F sharp, A, D flat, D, D flat, A flat, A, B, A. And the final line of verse 2 is sharp, F sharp, A, E, D flat, A, D flat, B, E, F sharp. So that is verse 2. Let's play it again. After verse 2, you can play the pre-chorus again, but this pre-chorus is different to the one we played before, so I'm just going to teach that now. The first line of the pre-chorus is which is B, A flat, A flat, E, F sharp, E, F sharp, B, A flat, E, F sharp. The next line is A flat, E, F sharp, D flat, E, F sharp, E, F sharp. And the final line is E, F sharp, E, F sharp, A flat, A flat, F sharp. So that is the pre-chorus number 2. Let's play it again. After pre-chorus 2, you can play the chorus again, and then the final part to learn is the bridge, and this is how it sounds. The first line of the bridge is which is A flat, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, A flat, A flat. The next line is A flat, A, B, D, D flat, D flat, A, F sharp. The next line is A flat, F sharp, F sharp, A flat, A, E. And the next line is D, 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 A, D flat, B, B, A, B. And the final line of the bridge is A, B, D, D, D flat, D, D, B. So that's it for the bridge. Let's play it again. bridge, you can play the chorus once more, and that's everything for this song. So I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you found it useful, please let me know by leaving a thumbs up or a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.